All right, I'm back with Quanta Capsule time. So I am in both apps. I've got the Genius Insight app down here and the Quanta Capsule app. And this is really cool too, because this is a way that you can create subscriptions, memberships, and work with your clients remotely all over the world. The one thing that is really cool is you can add a member and then give them a 14-day trial. So that's currently what I've done with me. You can see I have my work email in here. Um, and then you can monitor the playlist that you're looking at. So I've given myself a Quanta capsule. I'm doing the 14-day trial. Okay, so this is what I'm going to show you kind of what it looks like. So I'm just going to skip through this for purposes of the video. So I'm going to scan. And then I'm going to come in and I'm going to just put some things down here in the main hold tray, some things that I know that I need some attention to today. Now, if I was working with one of my clients, I would do the quick balance first. But again, for time purposes, I just want to show you how to get things in the tray and then get them over into the capsule. And again, same thing, looking at the blues, looking at the reds, kind of connecting in my brain the dots. Computer monitors. Yes, I've been in front of the computer all this morning. Let's go into spiritual protection and we're just going to add some reds and the blues. Okay, so I've got 14 items down here. I'm going to come in here and reorganize. And it looks like there's only 3 highs. Okay, so we're going to click on those 3 highs and we are going to export to the capsule. You can name your playlist if you want. A lot of times I just do the date, so 3/3/26, especially if I'm doing it weekly. And then add my members. I'm going to select my name and then hit OK. And you'll see down here, email sent to users. So I've done the scanning on my end. Now I've sent the frequencies that I want that person to listen to into their Quanta capsule. So they're going to get an email. And this is what their app looks like. So they can schedule appointments with you. They can actually upload their own voice and image. They just need your email. So they would put my email in there. Okay. They can change the fractals. They can clear their playlist. They can change their frequency, shape, and form. I mean, there's lots of things that they can do just in this app. Okay, but we are going to import the Quanta code because now that I sent that to me, it's going to give me a code down here. Your Quanta capsule code is this. So I'm going to copy and paste and then come up here and then paste that. And remember, they have a playlist that lasts for 7 days. They also have a free bonus playlist of balancing their chakras, which can be loaded in the solfeggios. Okay, so we're going to come here and hit load. And this is the client's side. Okay. Once everything gets loaded, you're simply going to add all the items, which will be 3. These 3 frequencies, we're going to add them to the tray. And then I'm going to select my timer. Okay, and we're just going to hit play. So now your client can listen to those 3 frequencies for as long as they want. Okay, I usually have my clients do at least once or twice a day for 15 minutes. And that's it. That's how easy it is. So you're going to do your scanning on your end, figure out what frequencies you want them to listen to, export to the capsule. They get a code via the email down here that I just showed you. They copy and paste that code into their app, and that's it. Okay. They can schedule appointments with you if they need to get a hold of you. Okay, so you can see all the practitioners that we have here and what we all do. Okay, so they have access to all of that. So hopefully this video helps. If you still have questions, just comment under the video.